good day to all employers. I'm Vinciana Cedenio Sistoso. I'm 39 years old. I'm representing in Poroc City, Barangay Calasan, Pagadian City, Mindanao. I'm single. I have a 2 babies daughter, 18 years and 16 years. I'm ex-abroad, 6 years in Qatar cooking and 5 years in Kuwait carrying the babies, and I know how to cook and I know how to work inside home for housemaid, ironing, cleaning, washing, and cooking. I am an undergraduate for college, and I hope you will consider my application and accept it. Thank you and God bless.